Let's talk about your diesel engine feeling sluggish or throwing that frustrating check engine light with the code P02ED. This one is specific to the diesel intake airflow control system, and it means the computer has detected low airflow. On modern diesels, there is a component that acts a lot like a throttle body on a gas engine. It is a butterfly valve that regulates fresh air entering the intake to help with things like exhaust gas recirculation and DPF regeneration. When this code sets, the computer is saying, hey, I commanded this valve to open, but the sensors are telling me we are not getting enough air. Now, don't assume the motor is dead just yet. This problem is often caused by the dirty nature of diesel exhaust itself. Over time, soot and carbon build up behind that throttle plate, physically blocking the air or preventing the plate from moving smoothly. So your first troubleshooting step is hands-on. Locate the intake airflow control housing, which is usually right on the intake manifold. Take off the intake hose so you can see the plate. Is it caked in black gunk? That is likely your problem. Get a clean rag and some intake cleaner. Spray the cleaner on the rag, not directly into the engine, and wipe that plate and the housing until it is shiny. You do not want to spray into the engine because that cleaner can cause the engine to run away or damage the catalytic converter. While you're there, look at the electrical connector. Diesels vibrate a lot, and I've seen these connectors wiggle loose or the wires rub through. Check the terminals inside for any green corrosion or burn marks. If the cleaning does not work and the wiring looks good, then you might need to grab a digital multimeter. You would be checking for 12 volts at the motor connector with the key on. If you have power and ground, but the valve will not budge, then the unit itself might be faulty. But seriously, start with the cleaning. It saves a lot of people a lot of money.